Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Saiteja. Today I am creating a project named EC2 Log Monitoring pushing to the S3 buckets. Like it will push the all zip files to the S3 buckets daily by 1 a.m. or you can change the timings also. Now I am creating an EC2 instance which has a already I am having 5 instances so that I can deploy my websites or else I can upload my files into S3 buckets. I have already created one, so that I will create it again for that. Now I am creating, I have to click on the launch instance. Clicking on the launch instance. Now the name of the EC2 instance will be log monitoring. Sorry, log monitoring EC2. Now my Amazon machine image will be named as Amazon Linux only. Instance type will be T3 micro. Now I have to create a key pair. Here there is a create new key pair. So I am clicking on that. Now I am creating log key one. The key file format should be .pm only. If I create key pam, it will be created here. Okay. Uh, I have to allow SSH traffic so that we can see here. Yeah, I am allowing SSH traffic here with the port 22. Uh, Now it is completed. We have to click on the launch instance. If we click on the launch instance, it is loading. So we can see here success. Go back to the instances. We have to see here log monitoring. Yeah, that's coming. So instance state also as it is running or it has not running. I will show here. If it is not running, means EC2 instance has been disabled as it will not come again. So we can check that instance type. I have kept in that instance in the launch instance. I have kept it as micro T3. Alarm status we can check also alarm status. The availability zones also we can check EU North 1B and public IPv4 DNS dynamic network system. As I've already created my EC2 instance, now I am creating an S3 bucket. Open your insights, click on S3 and open your S3 bucket. Now there will be an S3 bucket. I have already created EC2 AWS bucket, my bucket. We have to click on the create bucket. Okay, my bucket name. I'm taking EC2 log uploads my bucket. Okay, EC2 log uploads my bucket and bucket versioning should be disabled. Now create bucket. You can see that I have created my the EC2 log uploads my bucket. Now we have to go to the IAM policy. Click on the IAM. Okay. Now we can go to the roles. I have already created one of the roles EC2 uploader role. Now we have to create role. We have to choose one of the service. I am creating EC2 service. I am clicking. I am going to the next. No, I have to create an permissions policies. So we have to create a policy name. Okay. I am opening in a new tab. Now go to the policies. Policies are loading. Okay. Now create a policy. We have to choose a service. I am taking S3 service. Okay. Put object. We have to allow the put object and we have to click add RN. Uh, okay. Now I have EC2 S3 uploader. My bad. EC2 S3 uploader. Okay. This is an S3. This is an IAM policy. So I have opened a policies creations. So for this policy creations, I have added an IRNS. So if I click next button, the policy's name should be EC2 uploader, uh, uploader only, uploader rule one. I'm giving uploader rule one. Now if I click create policy, yeah, it has successfully created a policy. Now I'm going to the create role. In the create role, if I click on the EC2 uploader, so I have to reload that. Okay, now I have taken an EC2 instance, so taken a next. So now if I take EC2 uploader, so we can see here EC2 uploader. I am selecting this, click on the next. Yeah, the role name should be write a meaningful role name EC2 role. Creating a role of IAM. So I have here EC2 role. Okay. Now I need to attach these IAM roles to the EC2 instances. So I am taking new tab as a duplicate tab. Now I am creating an EC2. I am going to EC2 instance. Going to EC2. In this EC2 log monitoring, now create actions. Now take it as image and templates. No, sorry. Security. Modify IAM roles. In these IAM roles, there will be an EC2 role. Click on that EC2 role, update IAM role. The IAM role will be successfully added to the EC2 instance. Okay. If I click yes, yeah, it is successfully added. Now, now I need to install CLA, Amazon CLA. That means AWS CLA I need to install. So I need to take sudo yum install AWS CLI. I think it is already completed. Yeah, is already installed. I have installed already that AWS CLI. Now we need to take some scripts that I have to take nano no upload uploads log dot ssh. I have opened one script. Now I need to paste the script. Okay, fine. This is in a script. Here we need to mention I have already taken EC2 log uploads my bucket. I have taken like that. Control O enter control X. We will be come out from that. This is my screen. As I am taking chmod plus X to change the mod directories, upload logs dot sh. I have changed that. So Now I am installing the AWS CLI as I already installed, but again installing the sudo yum install sudo yum install AWS CLI. See, it is already installed. So now again, uh, I am checking whether it is working or not, as the IAM policy role should be come here as the resource number. If it is working as it is works, otherwise it is not working. It is getting an IAM policy. So I am getting an IAM policies, user IDs, account numbers, and here and what I created. This is an ARM EC2 role. I have already created that. So now I should run this uh, dot slash upload logs dot sh. Okay, as it is getting as no file directories that messages. If the var slash messages is not considered, so we have to install some of the packages of syslog. Hmm. In the syslog also there may be there. That means we need to start and enable the syslogs to open and close the wait.log slash messages. After starting the where slash log slash messages, it uploads the files to the S3 buckets directly. So that I will first install syslogs. So it will show that it has all the syslogs. The command to run the syslogs is sudo systemctl enable r syslog sudo systemctl start r syslog, because I have already started that. Sudo systemctl already enabled and started, so that it has not coming. If I run the files upload logs dot sh. See, it directly uploaded the zip files to my S3 bucket names. This where is that? ls slash. I have checking that whether vad slash lag slash messages contains any packages or not. I have enabled the syslogs because I have already started and I can do that only one time. So I will check. I think I have done some. Okay. After executing in the after executing in that command prompt, uh, now that if we execute in the command prompt will be uploaded directly to the S3 buckets. It will be in the form of zip files. As if we reload, it will get only one time. Now I have to do daily at 1 a.m. It should be uploaded in this S3 bucket. So I need to enter some commands to upload daily at 1 a.m. So kindly please see this. Okay. Now for updating command not found. Okay. Okay. I have entered wrong value. Check it again. Yeah, it opens. Chrome tab. As it is in a Chrome tab. Yes. So that we can see all types of zip files in the S3 buckets. So this is my project. EC2 log monitoring pushes to the S3 buckets. These are the EC2 blogs which are uploaded to the S3 buckets. Thank you for watching this video.